Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every week. So today I am doing my last of my Patriotic tumblers, and we're going to do a coffee mug, and it's pretty simple. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. So I've had this coffee mug for quite a while, and I cannot honestly remember where I got it, but I just wanted to jazz it up. So we are going to take the little sticker off the bottom. I'm going to prep this tumbler, take the lid off, and sand the tumbler. And we're going to spray paint this, so it did not need to be sanded all the way down to the metal. Just a good sanding so that the paint has something to adhere to. Clean it up with alcohol. And you can see on my silicone mat all that dust. So I'm gonna take this and take some painter's tape and tape half of it. But it's technically more than half, if that makes sense. I didn't want to split the handle in half and make it harder on myself. So I went to the other side of the handle to cut that off, and then I do tape all over that, and then I take it out to spray paint white, and I am completely covering the handle because I didn't want to get spray paint on that. And actually I spray paint this blue, not white, but this side I'm going to use the color shot in this blue, and once that is done, I am going to take off the tape. So I'm going to replace tape, but I used put this on my shirt to take some of the tackiness away because I don't want it to pull up the paint. So I'm just going to cover up that blue so that we can take it outside and spray paint it white. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape. So that I wish I had left it on there, but I wasn't thinking. So I'm just very careful when I go to add epoxy. So the glitter that I'm going to use is just 2 glitters. And I'm going to use Ice by the Glitter Guy and Dress Blues by Peachy Glitter. So I mixed up a little bit of epoxy, and I'm going to carefully place the epoxy on the blue side. I'm going to do the blue glitter first. You always want to do your darker glitter first, but I'm going to be extremely careful right up to where the blue and the white meet. Once I'm happy with that, I will go ahead and remove my glove, use Dress Blues, and sprinkle it all over that part. I am using a paper towel with a little bit of alcohol to just clean up part of where some of the epoxies did spill over a little bit. But then I let this dry. Once that is dry, I thought I was recording and was not, and I used Ice by the Glitter Guy to do the white side. And then I'm going to let this sit and cure. Once it's dry, I'm going to use the glitter glue to seal the glitter so that that blue does not move into the white. And I give this 2 coats of epoxy before moving on. Once that epoxy is cured, I'm going to go ahead and clean up around the rim. I'm just using my craft knife to get rid of that excess epoxy that's up at the rim. And then I'm going to sand down just a little bit to expose some of that stainless. And I'm going to use my, this thing, Dremel, I don't know what you want to call it, because the glitter with a couple of coats of epoxy, it's a little thicker. So I'm using this to cut that down to show some of that stainless steel. And then I do use my sanding sponge to smooth it out. So the first thing I am going to do is use this red glitter vinyl that I cut into strips, and I'm just going to hand place them. Under epoxy, this really doesn't look like glitter. It looks more metallic, but still, it's fine. And then cut off the excess. So I also wanted to do the handle, so I'm trying to line that up as best as I can so that it kind of looks seamless, but it's not perfect, but it's better than it just staying white. And then I had cut out of this white glitter vinyl stars, and I'm going to place that all over the blue side. I did end up having to cut more stars because I didn't realize that I would use so many. I am going to seal this with the CC DIY Quick Coat and then give it 2 final coats, nope, just 1 coat of epoxy before we move on to the next step. I decided last minute to add some words to it. So this is after 1 coat after I put on the vinyl, and I found this Oh My Stars and Stripes on Creative Fabrica, so I thought that would be pretty to put on the front. So I cut out some red glitter, some blue metallic, and like a silver offset. Just finishing adding the vinyl layers together, and then I'm going to place this on the front as even as possible. Smooth it out and remove the transfer tape. So I'm going to seal this once again with the CC DIY Quick Coat, give it 2 final coats of epoxy, and this is done. I really love how this turned out, the simplicity of it, yet that decal I'm so glad I went with decal. But I really hope that you enjoyed this video and these Patriotic tumblers that I've been doing the last several weeks. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.